सब इधर से जा रहे हैं।
Hello. Well, I just want to say Shabana ji and Namrata have been doing this for the past many years, and I have been a huge supporter of Mijna. और I think बहुत ज़रूरी काम है ये. We all are, very fashion conscious people, but I think along with being fashion conscious, we have a responsibility towards society, towards children, towards the handicrafts, handlooms of this country, and I think it's such a beautiful marriage where Manish every year does this beautiful show, in association with Mijna, and I think the whole industry literally comes here to support them, and it's amazing. I'm very excited. I'm very excited to see Deepika and Ranveer both together. Both are my favorites. I can't wait to watch them look all amazing.
Excited for race?
Very excited for race 3. Inshallah, this Eid will be even sweeter. Thank you. Hello. Hi. Hi, Simaji, how are you?
Rolling, guys. Sonakshi looking extremely beautiful. What are you like tonight?
Who do you think? Mr. Manish Malhotra. He would have not let me enter these premises if I had not worn his outfit. But he's my favorite, as you all know. I wear him a lot, and he's one of the best designers we have in our country today. And it's always a pleasure. It makes me look and feel like a princess every time.
What are you looking forward to from this evening?
I think, first of all, it's for such a great cause, which is what I'm most looking forward to, which is why I'm even here, because giving women work means empowering them, and I feel that it's so important in today's world. So I think that is what the main reason I'm here.
Given the kind of circumstances that we hear happening with the girl child,
Thank you.
do you see any hope in the future? What needs to be done to stop such heinous crimes like rape?
Just stricter punishment, I guess, which is what the entire nation is unanimously asking for. It's something that we should actually not even be asking. It's something that should be instilled into our children, our boys, right from the very beginning. So I think in terms of upbringing, that needs to change. The boys need to be taught a better mentality, I guess. And as for people who still commit these crimes, I think the maximum punishment ever. This is unacceptable, and we as a nation have raised our voice today, and something needs to be done for sure.
Good evening, Sonakshi.
Good evening, Sumit. How are you?
Sonakshi, I have to say, it's undisputed that you are looking towering and stunning.
Thank you.
And we have the announcement of your new film.
Yes.
कुछ बोले आप पहली बार
जी, अब मैं खुल के बोल सकती हूँ. आप मुझे इतने टाइम से पूछते आ रहे हो, बट फाइनली कलंक has been announced, and I am very excited. It's got a stellar star cast. I'm so excited to be working with all these wonderful people. In fact, with only Sanju sir I've worked, before in Son of Sardar, but the rest of them I'm going to be sharing screen space with for the first time, and so looking forward to it. I mean, Madhuri ji has been one of my favorite actresses for forever, and we've all looked up to her. So, to be in the same frame with her, to be in the same film with her, to have my name next to her in the announcement was such an honor, and I'm super excited.
Fans are excited about Sanjay and Madhuri reuniting
Yes,
on screen.
yes.
How about you as well? You
Of
must have
course,
been a
I think everyone is. They've been one of the most iconic couples in Indian cinema, and it'll be great to watch them. Varun and Alia have been such a love couple. I'm pairing up with Aditya for the first time, so that'll be great as well. So really looking forward to it.
Sonakshi and some one of my colleagues just went out. If not an actress, कुछ और चुन सकती हैं?
मैं जो अपने मन में है, मैं जो करना चाहूँ मैं कर सकती हूँ. आई फील मुझ में उतना पोटेंशियल है. एक बार जो मैं ठान लेती हूँ तो आई कैन डू दैट. मैं बहुत और कुछ कर सकती थी. आई कुड हैव बीन एन आर्टिस्ट, आई कुड हैव बीन अ फैशन डिज़ाइनर, आई कुड हैव बीन अ स्टाइलिस्ट, आई कुड हैव बीन अ स्पोर्ट्स प्लेयर. तो आप क्या चाहते हैं मैं क्या बनूँ?
आप जो है उसी में बेहतरीन है।
थैंक यू वेरी मच, इसलिए मैं वो कर रही हूँ.
Also, Sonakshi, what about Dabang as well? Will be going on floor?
Yes, Dabang 3 will be going on floors very, very soon. Prabhu sir is directing it, and of course I'm reprising my role of Rajjo, Shilpu Pandey will be there. So yeah, very, very exciting. Back to my roots, back to where it all began, back to where it started. So super excited.
How different will your character be this time?
I'm Rajjo, so I mean it's a continuation of that. But the story is very, very exciting, and I can tell you it's going to be full masaledar and dhamakedar.
Really close.
Yeah.
मैम
मुझे बुलाने
और लेट मी
सोनाक्षी आज कुछ खास बात
चलिए
मैंने सिर्फ 3 या 4 जन बोले
भाई मेरा तो एक्साइटमेंट दोहरा है. एक तो एक फैशन शो देखने आया हूँ उसके लिए है, और दूसरा एक्साइटमेंट ये है दैट इट इज़ फॉर मिजवा विच इज़ शबाना's project, and she is doing some great work in that village. And as a matter of fact, I had seen that village many years ago when there was nothing. There was just nothing. There was some houses right in the midst of nowhere. And today they have school, they have computer center, they have women vocation center, they have maternity home and post office, everything. When I had gone there, there was not even electricity there. Speak louder. जी. I mean, what can be anybody's opinion about a brutal rape and a murder? Can there be two opinions? So you give opinion about things where there is a possibility of a different opinion. Obviously, it's obvious what can be any sane person's opinion. You see, society doesn't move together. What happens? They remain in different time zones, different cultural zones. Some very good things happen, some very bad things happen at the same time. But I'm afraid that many bad things have started happening rather too frequently, and we as a society should bother about it.
Hi guys. I am very excited. I am actually here to enjoy the show, and it's a great event. Obviously, Shabana ma'am and Namrata, and it's been happening. So I'm really looking forward to this thing, and it's a great thing. It's a charitable event. So just to be here, I think I'm quite excited to be a part of it. Absolutely. I think we as people, it's our responsibility to do whatever bit we can do in whatever manner. So it's a great initiative because there are people, if we don't do it for the ones who are needing it, then who else? So I think it's a great thing, and we all must contribute whatever bit we can.
How do you look at the identity that one hand, we celebrate the idea of women doing very well with Mijwa, and on the other hand, we see a part of India where an 8-year-old is being raped. How sad do you feel about that?
You know, it's very sad. It's unfortunate that we have such people in India basically it has to do a lot with the mentality. It's really unfortunate that there are such perverts and sick minds who think like this, and they objectify girls, women, kids. You know, it has to do with the mentality. So we can't say anything, but yes, we need strict punishment, stricter laws from government. That is the only solution for it, because unless we send the right message to these people, it is not going to stop. No matter what all messages we write, we send them, it has to have a contribution from government side to do it in a right manner, to make stricter laws for it. That's all I can say. It's quite sad. Thank you. Hi.
Deepika and Ranveer will be walking the ramp. It's the first time, and they have always been appreciated for their chemistry. Looking forward for them.
I'm really looking forward to have been here and watching Deepika and Ranveer walking together. Obviously, they both are the style icons. Ranveer is my favorite, and so is Deepika. I'm really looking forward, and itself it's a Manish Malhotra show. What else you can ask for?
एक चीज़ और, ये साल शादियों का लग रहा है इस बार फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जी 1-2 महीने होने वाली है. कंफर्मेशन है आपको आगे?
आप मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? आप उनसे पूछिए ना.
अरे तो आपका डिसाइडर है.
I think अगर नहीं है तो होना चाहिए. That's all I can say. And congratulations. This is what I can say.
और किसकी शादी का इंतजार करेंगे इस साल?
Okay, I can only say good luck to all the lovebirds. I can't say anything about Shadi. Yeah? Thank you. Thank you.
मुझे बेहद खुशी हो रही है कि मिजवा एक ऐसा छोटा सा गांव था आजमगढ़ में जो कि हिंदुस्तान के मैप पे भी नहीं था, उसको पिन कोड भी नहीं था, और आज मिजवा पूरी दुनिया में पहचाना जा रहा है. और ये मिजवा वेलफेयर सोसाइटी मेरे पिताजी कैफ़े आज़मी ने शुरू की थी, क्योंकि उनका ये मानना था कि अगर सही मानों में हिंदुस्तान को तरक्की करनी है तो उनको अपनी गांव की तरफ देखना चाहिए जहां 80% आबादी रहती है. और ये सिर्फ तब मुमकिन हो सकता है जब हम अपनी लड़कियों को और औरतों को केंद्र बिंदु बनाएं. और अब जो है आप देख रहे हैं कि जो उन्होंने बीज बोया था वो आज कितना बड़ा पेड़ बन गया है जो फल दे रहा है. हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है कि इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का ऐसा कोई स्टार नहीं है जो हमारे लिए नहीं चला है, और उसके लिए मैं बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ, उनकी बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ, हमारे तमाम स्पॉन्सर्स की. और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि ये 9 साल का जो सफ़र है इसमें उतार चढ़ाव रहे हैं, इसमें कभी कभी ऐसा लगता था कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा है, लेकिन मुझे अब्बा की ये बात हमेशा याद रहती है कि उन्होंने कहा कि जब आप तब्दीली के लिए काम करें तो इस उम्मीद में ये गुंजाइश भी छोड़ दें कि शायद तब्दीली आपके वक्त में ना आ सके, आपकी ज़िंदगी में ना आ सके, लेकिन ये यकीन रखना चाहिए कि अगर आप अपना काम मुसलसल करते रहे और पैशनेटली करते रहे और सिंसेरिटी से करते रहेंगे तो तब्दीली आएगी और ज़रूर आएगी। और आज आपको नज़र आ रहा है कि ये तब्दीली आ चुकी है। वेल, Ranbir Kapoor is the goodwill ambassador of Mijma Welfare Society. He's been with us for very many years, and he is my darling boy. I keep telling Neetu Singh that he is my jigar ka tukda. उसको कुछ बोलो वो फौरन हाजिर हो जाता है। दीपिका के साथ we have had a long-standing promise, and we have never managed to do it. This year we managed to get her, and I'm extremely thankful. I'm very, very happy that Deepika has come on board with us.
Pakistani actresses have been accused early of sexual harassment. Why is it in Bollywood our actresses are afraid of speaking up and taking names of abuse?
This is the first time that I'm even hearing about it, and I think this is not the occasion or the place to talk about it. We will talk about it on a platform which is different. Thank you.
Good evening, both of you.
Hello, how are you?
Thank you so much. Really seems exciting for the evening.
Yes, very. I'm actually very excited because I'm accompanied by my really lovely friend Moni.
Best friend.
Yeah, we haven't met each other since couple of hours actually.
We're together all the time. Also, this is for a very noble cause, so we are here to show our support. And yeah, Manish is a beautiful designer. We all know that. You feel lucky to be wearing. I'm wearing one of his sarees tonight, and so yeah, we're looking forward to see the.
I'm actually yeah, I'm actually looking forward to see Ranbir and Deepika together on
We were
that.
just talking
Yes.
about it in
Yes.
the car that anyway we both of us love Deepika, and both of them I think together make
like
a really
Ranbir also.
yeah, really on-screen couple. So.
And see, like, we will be seeing her on the big screen, two big films.
You will be seeing my friend on big screen very, very soon. Yes.
Connie, we want to know your expressions on this, like two big films coming soon from your side.
I'm nervous, I'm excited, but I'm nervous. Let's see. I don't like to talk about it too much and jinx it. So.
क्यों इतना बात क्यों नहीं करना चाहती?
No, she's going to be very good in this film. I know that.
Connie, have you already shot motions with Ranbir from Brahmastra?
Yes,
And how
we
was that
have.
experience like?
Very, very good. Both Ranbir and Alia are such giving, understanding actors. It's an honor to share screen with them. And in fact, it was a very difficult role and a very difficult shoot. It was minus 18 or 17 degrees most of the time. So yeah, it was very, very nice.
Did you see new action in the film because there was sort of
Little bit.
अच्छा, आप लोगों से एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण क्वेश्चन सुरक्षा को लेके, महिला सुरक्षा को लेके और बच्चों को लेके अभी भी इतनी चिंता है, घटनाएं अब दिन पे दिन होती जाती हैं और आपके जो शब्द हैं बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हैं, अगर आप दोनों कुछ कहें।
देखिए बात ये होती है ना कि पहले हम ईविल को रावण के साथ कंपेयर करते थे दैट यू नो वी बर्न रावण ड्यूरिंग दशहरा बट द पॉइंट ऑफ द मैटर इज that I don't think even Ravan crossed that line of Maryada with Sita. He wanted to whatever. So let me not go into a religious space. The whole thing is that whatever is happening in our country, whether it's with the 3-day-old child in UP or with Asifa, it's just so shocking. And so I don't think there can be any justice. Both of us, I remember, we were very, very disturbed for days. But we need to, I don't know how you can educate the men in your own homes,
I
or
think
how
there has to be a proper law.
how can you teach humanity to human beings, because they clearly not.
और ये ना ये तो इस्तीफा का भी जो चैप्टर हुआ है, लेकिन ऐसा बहुत कुछ हो गया है, हमें कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है, कंट्री को कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है, हमें कुछ करना चाहिए इसके बारे में।
Even
एक 3 साल की
even
बच्ची
that
को प्रॉब्लम हो
Pakistani
सकती है।
girl, the last year that event that happened, this year whatever happened, it's just all too shocking. I think the end is very
scary.
close. Yeah.
It's scary. Yeah?
No, I want good. I'm here today. I'm not a part.
Thank you so much. मेरी अच्छा थोड़ा एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन एक कलीग थी वो यहाँ नहीं है they wanted to ask you if not an actress आप क्या चुनती?
If I wasn't an actress, maybe an IS officer, because that's what my father wanted me to be. I was studying, I don't know if I was studying for it, I'd done my English honours from Miranda House and I did my main mass comm from Jamia. I wrote my dissertation, so मैं academics में ही थी तो उसी line में कुछ करती शायद.
I think I would have been sticking to my glamour industry and I would have been a choreographer.
You'd be a beautiful choreographer.
I think I would have been, yeah, because I love dancing, so I would have been a good choreographer.
Thank you so very much. थोड़ा अच्छे से visual
Hello everyone. Well, first of all, I am very happy that I am attending Manish's show for Mijwan, of course. And secondly, Shabana ma'am has this great cause what she's doing, and obviously Mijwan is her native, and she's doing really good things for her own native, which is a good thing. And a lot of people should come up with such things with their own natives also. So I think it's a great thing what Shabana ma'am is doing, and people like us should also think something for our own villages. शूटिंग अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है, थोड़े दिन की शूट बाकी है, बट वी आर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फन ऑन सेट, टोटल मस्ती, एंड वी आर रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर यू गाइस टू सी इट एक्चुअली. जी बहुत है इसके अंदर. मैंने और जैकी ने दोनों ने मिलकर जमकर एक्शन किया है और वो करने में बहुत ही मज़ा आया. उन्होंने 2 गाने लिखे और शायद उन्होंने एक गाना गाया है, मतलब मुझे उसके बारे में टोटल नॉलेज नहीं है, बिकॉज इट्स अ रीसेंट अपडेट. और हमारी शूटिंग में अभी वो सलमान सर अभी कुछ जो चल रही थी उसके अंदर वो नहीं थे, तो अपडेट क्या है मुझे नहीं पता. We were very happy when Salman sir came out, and obviously we had to get back to our shooting because that's a project we need to finish because the release is like 2 months, so we had to. So no, we were just happy. We were very happy. Thank you.
हाँ जी क्वेश्चन तो मुझे यार yes every year this festivity is there and I think most of the years I have been part of it and today somehow my company also involved in this. I'm very happy that Mijwa is taking growing day by day, years by years to great heights, and the kind of work they are doing. Shabana Azmi ji, Namrata Goyal, Manish Malhotra, they are really giving something to Mijwa which nobody can give. So I congratulate everyone and I really wish all the success from my side, from Kuber side, from Vikas Malu side, and whole Malu Parivar, who have really done wonderful thing by actually doing this show, presenting this show, Kuber Group, and congratulations to everyone and best of luck. Thank you.
सतीश जी काफ़ी प्रशंसा हुई है आपकी जो आपने एक बात कही है रूप की रानी चोरों का राजा के बारे में, आज हम हमारे समक्ष है। एक बार हमें थोड़ा बताइए क्या भावनाओं में आके आपने ये बात कही है?
मैंने भैया कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने अपने 25 साल पहले फेलियर को एक्सेप्ट किया है और आई थिंक फेलियर को एक्सेप्ट करना सबसे बड़ी सक्सेस होती है और बड़े हैप्पीली किया है और हाई मतलब अपने सम्मान के साथ किया है। एक जो ज़बरदस्त पिक्चर बनाई थी हमने सोचा और उसको ट्विटर पे सोशल मीडिया पे लोगों ने 25 साल बाद हिट कर दिया, ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है।
एकदम से क्या आपको प्रेरणा मिली कि आपने बात कही एकदम से?
प्रेरणा नहीं मिली, इट इज़ अ फैक्ट। ये ना आपको किसी ने मुझे ट्वीट किया, एक को पिक्चर निकल गया, सर इट वॉज नॉट ए गुड फिल्म, तो मैंने उसको जवाब दिया आफ्टर 25 ईयर्स इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट गुड और बैड, इट इज़ अबाउट ओनिंग योर फेलियर्स। You must be a successful person, but if you accept your failures, and you talk about your failures, you will be more successful person. And that is what I felt, and what Roop Ki Rani Chorron Ka Raja has given me as a person, as a I have become much more stronger. But today I'm still working after 25-30 years. That shows that though my picture didn't work, but I worked in people's mind and my audience's mind.
आप जाए उससे पहले मेरी एक सहयोगी प्रश्न पूछना चाहती थी आपसे कि अगर अभिनेता नहीं होते आप तो क्या चुनते?
पता नहीं यार, मैं तो इसी चीज़ के लिए पागल था सर। मैं राइट फ्रॉम माई चाइल्डहुड, यू कैन से आफ्टर स्कूल, फ्रॉम कॉलेज ऑनवर्ड्स, आई थॉट ऑफ वन प्रोफेशन इन माई लाइफ, that I wanted to be a performer since my Crodimal College Delhi University days, and I'm there. I'm very thankful to God. But हाँ, अगर मैं शायद नहीं कुछ होता और कोई दूसरी जगह जाता तो डेफिनेटली मैं फार्मर बनता शायद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, थैंक यू सर। मुझे आपकी बिल्कुल आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है। मैं किससे पूछूं, मैं किसका जवाब दूं? अच्छा आप पूछिए। थैंक यू, गुड इवनिंग टू यू। अवसर और नेक कार्य है ये, आपको लगता है ना?
जी,
आप इसकी व्याख्या करें,
मैं आपको सच बोलूँ तो हम लोग किसी भी तरह का इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं, उसके पीछे जो भी रीज़न होता है, चाहे वो एक बंदे को इन्फ्लुएंस करे या 100 लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करे या 1000 लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करे, उस पर हमारा कोई क्या बोलते हैं, उस पर हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता। लेकिन हम अपनी तरफ से जो कर सकते हैं हम वो करते हैं। सो दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर टुडे एज एन इंडस्ट्री, एज एवरीवन। फैशन इंडस्ट्री ले लो, चाहे आप बॉलीवुड ले लो, चाहे आप मीडिया को ले लो, हम सब लोग यहाँ पर हैं टू सपोर्ट अ कॉज एंड टू मेक श्योर दैट वी मेक अ डिफरेंस. सो आई थिंक हमारा जो मकसद है वो हम पूरा कर रहे हैं. हम होपिंग कि अब आगे ये बातें पहुँचे.
आज ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ा, मतलब क्या समय कम है. लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स हैपनिंग व्हिच आर नॉट सो प्रेजेंट.
Right.
वी आर ट्राइंग बाय these measures. अभी आपको लगता है कि और सुरक्षा और कुछ कदम उठाने चाहिए कठोर?
सी अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या है, हमारे सोचने से, आपके कहने से या मेरे कहने से अगर फ़र्क पड़ता तो बात ही क्या थी. बहुत चीज़ें आगे बढ़ जाती, बहुत सी चीज़ें हो जाती. गुस्सा आता है, खून खौलता है, लेकिन हम उसका कुछ कर नहीं पाते. आई थिंक 1 for 1 होना चाहिए. एज विमेन और एज मैन वी नीड टू रियलाइज वी कांट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन अदर पीपल. अनफॉर्चुनेटली इन टुडेज डे एंड एज आप चाहकर भी किसी पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रह सकते. तो चाहे वो सेल्फ डिफेंस सीखना हो, और इट मीन्स टू कैरी अ पेपर स्प्रे, और इट मीन्स कि आप शायद जो आपके घर पे जो दीदी आती है काम करने के लिए, उनके बच्चे हैं, आप उन तक पहुँचो, आप उनको कुछ सलाह दो, आप उनको कोई सीख दो, शायद उससे कोई फ़र्क पड़े. बट दैट्स द मैक्सिमम दैट वी कैन डू एज सिटीजन्स. आगे देखते हैं अब क्या होता है. There you go, Justin. Yes, I'm very geared up for Yamla Pagla 3. Thank you. Oh, you have no idea how nervous I am. 2nd of May will be my last day of shoot, and on the 3rd I start dubbing. So it's all real suddenly. It's happening. It's gonna happen. It's gonna be out very soon. Was it intimidating? It was exciting. It was so fun. Imagine. I mean, I felt like a star. I'm working with stars. I'm a normal girl from Bangalore. The feeling is something else to be able to work with people I've grown up watching. I'll get into trouble. All 3 of them are very funny. Yeah, they won. Anyway, thank you so much.
Deepika and Ranveer on the ramp.
Yes.
What do you think about both of them?
I think they look fabulous together on screen. They're both fantastic actors and they complement each other really well. I think the world knows that I'm a Deepika Padukone fan, so I'm very excited to see her tonight.
लास्ट चीज, अगर ऐसा अभिनेत्री नहीं होती क्या चुनती आप?
I think I would have been a motivational speaker. Yeah, I would have done that. I like helping people. That's been my, that's something that I've always done. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं अभी भी वही करना चाहती हूँ कि मैं लोगों की ज़िंदगी में फ़र्क लाऊँ. तो आगे भी होपफुली यही करूँगी. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. यहाँ पर thank you so much. Thanks a lot. I have to go, yeah. Okay. God, that's a lot of mics. Well, I think Mijwan is a cause they have been working consistently, and I think whenever some serious, good-hearted people make an effort, like Shabana ji, like Namrata Goyal, and the whole team, I think they make a lot of difference. They change the lives of people, and I think this is a fabulous effort. That's why we are here to support them. So good luck, Shabana, Mijwan, Namrata, all of you. Thank you. Sorry. हाँ जी बोलिए क्या?
You look reinventing
I don't know. Is it a new look? I have no idea. I think every day a woman should reinvent herself, otherwise थोड़ा boring हो जाता है. And no, it's my same old look. Just dressing is different. Thank you.
We have to ask you about the burning issue of safety of women and children. That is needing to be addressed. आपके शब्द जरूरी है.
आई थिंक ये बहुत ही सैड दुखदाई घटना हो रही हैं हमारे देश में, एक नहीं कई हो रही हैं. एंड आई एम शॉक्ड कि आज के ज़माने में व्हेन पीपल आर मोर एजुकेटेड, सोशल मीडिया इतना एक्टिव है, आप सब मीडिया वाले इतने एक्टिव हैं, लोगों की इतनी हिम्मत होती है, इतनी घिनौनी हरकतें कैसे करते हैं वो लोग. एंड आई थिंक दे रियली नीड टू बी पनिश्ड so severely that nobody else should ever dare to do that. I know I'm saying something which lot of people are saying, but कुछ फ़र्क पड़ना चाहिए. सबसे ज़्यादा आप सबसे के माध्यम के थ्रू I'll appeal to the young people of this country, the men especially, respect your ladies, respect the women. और आसपास कोई गलत काम कर रहा हो, be a man enough to get up and save the child or the woman or anybody who needs it. So I think that's what we need to do. आजकल हमें और vigilant होना चाहिए और sensitive होना चाहिए. Thank you.
I'm very excited, yeah, this is first time I'm actually getting this opportunity to be a part of this wonderful welfare association, and I'm very excited about it. I'm really happy the kind of work that Ms. One keeps doing. I'm very happy to support it in any capacity. Magic. What else? We all are looking forward to that, yeah. I know what you guys are doing here. We should go inside, I think. तुम लोग नहीं देखोगे क्या? मीट दीपिका नहीं दिखते साथ में. Hello, how you doing? Yeah, thank you. What's a buddy major sport? Sir, but we got no buddy. How is it doing? Yeah. Oops.
New commercials, TV commercials, we are on the screen.
What was the philosophy?
Why you took the brand for the endorsement?
No, they wanted something which talks about friendship and which talks about friendship in which, you know, बोलते हैं ना, हर दोस्त कमीना होता है, तो उनको वैसा कुछ थॉट चाहिए था. And I think who better than all the fukras to fit in that. So that's I think was the thought behind it.
And most of the सब जानना चाह रहे थे your words on the safety of women and children as we see the आजकल की जो घटनाएं हो रही हैं, आपके शब्द जरूरी है.
Yeah, I don't know. We have spoken a lot about it, and it's time that everybody takes action about it. And it's nice to see people coming down on the roads. But you know, I think it's high time. Yeah, this recent incident, and this is not the only one. But it's really shameful. It's really shameful. It's disgusting. So I think we should just put up our socks and just fuck these assholes. Yeah, they are assholes. I'm sorry, I'm saying this on TV, but they are. Thank you.
मैम कैसे हैं आप लोग? व्हाट्स अप गाइस? हेलो हेलो. सुमित क्या है? सुमित नहीं दिख रहा. कहाँ है सुमित? सुमित हेयर स्टाइल चेंज कर लिया तूने? हाँ जी बताइए. आई कांट हियर यू भाई.
गुड इवनिंग टू यू.
गुड इवनिंग भाई. गुड इवनिंग.
आपके विचार आज की शाम के लिए फॉर निस्मा एंड रणबीर एंड दीपिका वॉकिंग द लाइन.
नहीं यार, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू वॉच दिस शो. मनीष मल्होत्रा हर साल ये मिज़वान के लिए शो करते हैं. शबाना जी का इनिशिएटिव है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव ऑफ giving job opportunities to women and empowering the women, and I think it's a great initiative, and I'm happy that I'm here. So looking forward, and Ranveer and Deepika always look lovely together, and they'll be walking together. So it'll be a good thing.
क्या चूज करते आप?
यार मैं क्रिकेटर बनना चाहता था लाइफ में, तो मैंने थोड़ा सा स्टेट लेवल क्रिकेट भी खेला है ज़िंदगी में। अगर एक्टर नहीं बनता तो शायद उस तरफ जाने की कोशिश करता।
एक चीज और जो सभी को बहुत बॉदर कर रही है दिनों,
जी।
द कंसर्न फॉर द सेफ्टी ऑफ वुमेन एंड चिल्ड्रन।
बिल्कुल जी।
आप अपनी तरफ से बताएं आजकल के हालात को देखते हुए मतलब क्या
No,
विचार-
it is highly disturbing. The incidents that we are reading, whether it was the Surat case or whether it was Asifa's case, I think जो ये लोग हैं जिनकी मेंटालिटी है उनका हमारी सोसाइटी में रहने का कोई हक नहीं है यार. If you can think of such thoughts and do something with a child, that's highly disgusting. Jitesh sir, where you going sir? Where you going?
Good, I'm good.
Where are you running? I'm looking lovely in Manish Malhotra, you know. Huh? Sorry. So I think it is highly disgusting, and all these people who have done this should be. And I believe in the justice system of my country. So I'm hoping उनको सज़ा मिलेगी and जो हार्ड से हार्ड सज़ा हो सकती है वो मिलनी चाहिए. There should be no रियायत.
55 दिन रह गए आप
जी
55 days
जी
की
जी.
क्या स्थिति है?
किसकी?
15 जून
हाँ? अब ईद आ रही है तो आएंगे यार, ईद पे ईदी लेने तो आएंगे, बट आई एम डैम एक्साइटेड यार. अब भी थोड़ा सा काम पिक्चर का बाकी है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लेह लद्दाख, श्रीनगर जा रहे हैं हम, वहाँ पर कुछ गाने शूट करने. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी यार कि बस आ गई पिक्चर 1.5 महीने बाद, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट लाइफ में पहली बार मेरी भी पिक्चर एक ईद पे रिलीज हो. थैंक यू मैम. फर्स्ट मैम. मैम आई वुड नो द राइट पर्सन टू टेल यू दिस वुड बी रमेश तोरानी. हमें तो बताया जाता है कि यहाँ स्केड्यूल है और हम वहाँ चले जाते हैं, वी एक्टर्स. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ अ कॉल द प्रोड्यूसर विल हैव टू टेक एंड विल हैव टू टेल यू. मतलब आई डोंट, आई एम वेरी ऑनेस्टली आई एम अनअवेयर. आई हैव ओनली रेड इट इन द प्रेस. सो अगर आप लोग बोल रहे हैं लिखा होगा भाई ने, यार भाई ने गाया होगा, बट आई नॉट दैट आई नो. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू. Come, you do this. I'll see.
Hello. First of all, I'd like to congratulate Shabana ma'am. I think it's extremely inspiring to see her do this every year because the cause is so special, it's so real, and it's the need of the hour, women empowerment, and what better way to celebrate it with supporting girl-child education. And look at the way the society, the Mijwan society has progressed. So we're all here to support this organization, and I think it's amazing. It always feels nice to be back here every year, and of course very excited to be wearing Manish Malhotra and and for the show, of course, to watch Ranbir and Deepika. Thank you.
Yummy, Ranbir, Deepika, walking the ramp, would be a good combination.
Comping?
Ranbir and Deepika walking the ramp, how do you see them as a good combination?
I think everybody loves them, and as I said, that the cause has made it even more special and even more relevant because it's really special. I think the cause we're all together and they're walking, I think has made it even more. I think that's the hero of the show today, and I'm really excited to watch the show because it's always very grand. It's always very it's. What should I say? I think it's very grand. I think that's and there are a lot of specials I think attached to it. So really looking forward to it.
Yummy, one more concern about what we see around these days today, safety for women and children. आप हमेशा ही बहुत ही substance के दृष्टि की बात होती है. Like to have your words on this.
I think I just said exactly the same thing, that why it's so special because it's the need of the hour, women empowerment and gender empowerment, and what better way to make girls and women aware, making them aware about themselves, about their rights, about education.
that is the first and primary step. And I think Mijwan, that's where and that's the reason why it's really special and it's really important for us. And I think hats off to Shabana ma'am for inspiring us with her such a strong initiative. And I hope that more of us, we can contribute more in whatever possible way to consolidate such events. Thank you. I think being an actress chose me, so I'm not thinking anything. My sister's not here. I'll tell her that you missed her. How sweet. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. I think Isha, how are you? I'm feeling the I'm definitely excited to see them on the ramp. I think बहुत मज़ा आएगा उनको रैम्प पे देखने के लिए. लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि ये जो मिजवान का हम फैशन शो करते हैं हर साल, it's about empowering women and it's about creating skill in India and giving them a livelihood. And I think that's why we all come and we always support. I think what Manish and Shabana ji and Namrata are doing is an amazing endeavor. I love social networking. I think हर इंसान की ज़िंदगी में एक टाइम आता है जब वो it's like an awakening. You come to a stage in your life where it's kind of like a overall transformation. You have to transform your mind, your body and your soul to achieve something like this. अभी सबसे अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट आई थिंक मैं वेट कर रही हूँ. बहुत लोग अभी कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रहे हैं. सो आई लाइक टू वेट फॉर सम मोर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. फैमिली तो अपने को दे टेक अस फॉर ग्रांटेड. फैमिली टेक्स यू फॉर ग्रांटेड फर्स्ट. दे फील लाइक लेकिन हमें पता था कि तुम ये कर सकती थी. If I wasn't an actress, I think I would do something with animals. I love animals. Maybe I would have opened my own, like wildlife sanctuary or something like that. Thank you.
Well, I'm very excited for Manish. Actually, when you say Manish Malhotra, it resonates with elegance, class, and I'm very excited to see what he's going to do with the Mijwan Welfare Society. I think Shabana ji and Manish put together are doing a very, very good job with this every year, and definitely Ranbir and Deepika are like royalty in themselves, so looking forward to them as well. Thank you. Anji.
I've always supported this wonderful initiative, Mijwan. Shabana ji and Amrita have been doing this for a long time. I think women in their own places, where there's this beautiful craft, if that can be brought to cities, to people at large, I think we will also learn to appreciate true craftsmanship. So I'm looking forward to this show.
Nandita ji, will be moving to Cannes for your film?
Yes.
थोड़ा हमें बताइए उसके बारे में.
Yes, it's we are all very excited in the cast and crew of Manto that it's been selected in the official section for Love, Such and Regard. It's a big honor and a big responsibility. It's the only film in the 2 official sections from India, and it's a labor of love. I've spent 7 years from the time I started thinking about this project. So let's hope that the audiences there love it. And final test will be, of course, in India. And when we bring the film and we release the film.
Is the film ready?
The film is almost ready. I've been working, in fact, 14 hours, if you can see it from my eyes. I'm really exhausted, but it will be ready by the end of this month.
नवाज ने जो काम किया है उससे आप खुश हैं जिस तरह का उन्होंने किरदार निभाया है?
नवाज ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. वो वैसे भी बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं, पर मंटो में काफ़ी ढल गए थे. उनकी जो सोच है वो भी मंटो से काफ़ी मिलती जुलती है, खैर मेरी भी है. हम सब में मंटोइयत है, तो उसी को निकालने के लिए ये फिल्म बनाई जा रही है. रिलीज डेट अभी फाइनल नहीं हुई है, लेकिन इसी साल आप देखेंगे और आप तक ये ज़रूर पहुँचेंगे. सॉरी, आप जिस तरह से सवाल पूछ रहे हैं कि इन रेप केसेस के बारे में क्या ख्याल है, ये सवाल अपने आप में सॉरी टू से कि सही सवाल नहीं है. जो हमारे देश में हो रहा है, पूरी दुनिया में हो रहा है, औरतों के साथ, बच्चियों के साथ, ये तो बच्ची है, उसको लड़की भी नहीं कहा जा सकता. इसे हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना पड़ेगा जब तक कन्विक्शन ना हो.
Have to say anything?
Asha ma'am, please join. Asha ma'am, Vaida ma'am, when we see both of you, it is elegance personified. Tell us something about your style inspiration. How has it stayed so true?
Style. Well, we also had designers doing our dresses, so it's not anything new happening. Bilkul na?
Vaida ma'am, what about you?
I wish Shabana the best for Rizwan, and she's doing a great job, and I wish her great success, and she carries on the show all the time. Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. मैं एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि पहली बार है कि मैं और अंदर जाके मुझे और जानने को मिलेगा. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर इट. फर्स्ट टाइम. Actually, it's going to be amazing. So this is the first time I'm going to see them on, walking the ramp. So I'm very excited for that. I'm really looking forward to that. Thank you.
कॉम्बिनेशन है जो हमेशा स्क्रीन पे एक मैजिक क्रिएट करते हैं एंड आई जेन्युइनली लव देम अ लॉट, बोथ ऑफ देम। मैं दीपिका की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ और रणबीर को अगर मैं देखूँगी तो मैं ऐसे आई में बैठ के ऐसे शायद फेंट हो जाऊँ, बिकॉज आई एम अ क्रेजी फ़ैन ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम एंड दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन फॉर मिजवा आई थिंक इज़ अ वेरी गुड आइडिया बिकॉज they are working for such a nice cause and Manish Malhotra, Shabana ji, I think it's the right package and it's going to be a glamorous night. This is what it does to me. I sort of, my throat runs dry. I will start crying in an instant because this is something very personal to me. I genuinely feel that I don't even know what to say. It's not even, it's barbaric, it's evil. These men don't belong to this world. I don't think वो इस दुनिया से नहीं है. उनको ऐसे लोगों को ना सच में दिमागी इलाज कराना चाहिए और I really want to see some swift justice because it makes me genuinely break down. So literally my hand is going to shiver now. I can't. It's too heart wrenching. So that's all I can say, guys.
I think it's for a very good cause and Manish ji coming with Shabana ji and Ranbir and Deepika walking, so I think it's a very, very nice event to give back to the society and I'm just there to support them.
A very big project lined up from the House of T series, it's of course Mughal. Is Amir Khan in the film? Divya ji?
I don't think this is the right time to announce the cast.
No, but
We'll announce it soon. Have some patience.
asked her about her concern for the safety of children and women. आपको पता नहीं और also mother. We were empathetic on this also. कुछ आप कहना चाहोगे?
I think it's very important that हमारे कंट्री की, हमारे देश की जो डॉटर्स हैं, they should feel safe. बाहर जाने में ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक पेरेंट खुद घबराए और अपने बच्चे को सावधान करे कि बेटा घर से बाहर मत जाओ, घर के अंदर ही रहो. That's not independence and that's not what gives you empowerment as a girl, as a child, as a woman. It's very important to make sure that your girls feel secure. वो security बहुत important है, हमें वो security provide करनी है. So I think अच्छे संस्कार देना बच्चों को बहुत important है. जो भी हुआ है अभी recently, I think government should really work towards it कि ऐसा दोबारा कभी ना हो. We are very proud to say that we are Indians and हमारे देश की बेटियां बहुत protected हैं.
I'm very excited because I love Manish Malhotra. I love him as a designer and I love him as a human being. He's wonderful and I'm very grateful every time when I have the chance to wear his outfits. They're beautiful and I'm sure the show will be outstanding. So best of luck for Manish.
How do you see Deepika and Ranbir on this?
Sorry. Beautiful, no? I'm sure they will look great. Manish will take care of this for sure. So we want to go to see them.
You're also singing a song in Race 3, right? You have sung a song, if I'm not mistaken. Tell us more about it. And
I will tell you more about it when it will be done. Hello, hi.
Sonali, please continue.
So yes, I'm gonna tell you more about the song when the time is right. But it's a beautiful song.
But who motivated you to get a part of it? Did Salman promptly say that you have to sing a special number on it?
I think life and God has motivated us to do everything what we do.
Okay.
So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
One second. Julia, photo.
Guys, rolling.
Good evening, Sona. Sonali.
Sonali is looking absolutely beautiful and white.
You're making up for him
No,
very
no,
quickly.
You're really looking beautiful.
Sonali, really, आप मतलब
Now you have to say a lot of things to make up for that.
you're just like a fairy who is descended from the top.
Oh my God.
Flawless.
आपसे सुंदर आज कोई लग ही नहीं रहा है, आपको पता है?
Oh, thank you so much.
जन्म
It's fine.
सबसे सुंदर है.
Thank you.
Sonali,
What do you have to do?
Ranveer and Deepika will be walking the ramp and it's Mizwan.
Yeah.
Tell us say something words on this.
I think it's a great combination because first of all it's a superb cause, बहुत अच्छा cause है और मैं हमेशा शबाना जी से और मनीष से कहती हूँ कि ये जो काम कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा काम है। तो हर साल हम लोग आते हैं, बड़े खूबसूरत कपड़े देखते हैं और मज़ा आता है और इनके कॉज की जिस तरह से भी सपोर्ट कर सकें सपोर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं। So I think it's a good deed and I'm happy to be a part of it.
And you will be coming on TV again now. We are hearing the news.
Oh yes, yeah.
कुछ बताएं उसके बारे में.
Well, India's best ड्रामेबाज है जो करती आ रही हूँ. I love the show. I love, I've always enjoyed working with kids. So I'm really looking forward to the show.
In the meantime, Bollywood awaits your return back. So when can we expect that with a bang?
No, I think where have I gone? I have been in public eye constantly, always. So I'm around.
But 70 बड़े पर्दे पर फिल्म के द्वारा.
I haven't thought of it, but let's see now. Let's start with the TV and see how it is.
Sonali, may I ask you, if not an actor, क्या choice करते आप?
Maybe a lawyer or something.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
आ रहे हैं बाइक वाले.
रमेश सर, इस शाम के बारे में कुछ बताइए. क्या है आपके विचार?
ये एक खूबसूरत शाम है. मिजवा वाले बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं. एक यूनिक बात है कि एक विलेज को लेकर पूरा इतना सारा डेवलपमेंट भी हो गया है और के लोग सब काम कर रहे हैं और बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है. तो मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ हैं और दिल से चाहता हूँ कि और अच्छा होता रहे मिजवा में और बढ़िया होता रहे और हम सब हर साल इसी तरह
thank you, Ranbir, for supporting us, always being the ambassador to Mijwa. You're simply wonderful and we all love you. Thank you so much. Shabana ji, Namrata, we all are so fond of you. We love you so much. And thank you for being always there for us and supporting Mijwa. And Deepika, I know you since a model and that fantastic actress that you are, and you're just the same. You're lovely and I love you. Thank you so much for being here. And this night is incomplete for me without Namrata Goyal and Shabana Azmi, who I adore. So please come on stage. I can't speak half as well as she does, so I'm going to give her the mic.
Hello. Thank you very much. Jeete raho, khush raho. Thank you. Thank you very much. We've really been looking forward to having you for so many years, and finally we get you. May I ask you to say a few words, please?
Good evening. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. I've been seeing the amazing work that all of you have been doing, and I have to confess that when I started the philanthropic work that I did do 3 years ago, a lot of my inspiration comes from the work that all of you have done. And I think what is inspiring is to see the impact, to see the passion, to see the commitment, to see year on year the kind of work that you do, the fact that you've been able to impact the lives of so many young women and children, to enable them, to empower them, and most importantly, to bring so much joy into their lives. So thank you for doing that. And thank you to all the women who work behind the scenes. You know, I think the strength of a nation is in building all the skills that we have, whether it's craft, whether it's art, whether it's sport. And to see that you'll recognize that 9 years ago is incredible. So thank you for the amazing work that all of you do, and keep inspiring us.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Jeete raho, khush raho. And now for my jigar ka tukda, the Goodwill Ambassador of Mijwa Welfare Society. Put your hands together for Ranbir Kapoor.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As Goodwill Ambassador of the Mijwa Welfare Society, it really gives me a great sense of pride to see the journey of the Mijwa girls and women towards empowerment and self-reliance. Today, they're not only financially independent, but they have the confidence to dream big and break the shackles of patriarchy. I believe my mom is here somewhere. Yes. Where is she? Hi, Mom. My mother always taught me that a man is as good as the respect he shows a woman. A man is as good. A man is as good as the space he gives his wife, daughter, sister, mother to be whoever she wants to be. I am genuinely trying to be that man. So thank you, Shabana Auntie, Namrata, Manish, Deepika, and everybody at the Mijwa Welfare Society for really empowering me with this. Thank you.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the show. Before we leave, I would like to call on stage our Mijwa team. Please, aap aiye. And I would like very much the 2 young children from Kuber who have come here all the way from Delhi. आ जाओ स्टेज पे आ जाओ. ये हमारे चीफ स्पॉन्सर्स हैं. ये रणबीर हैं. जल्दी आओ बच्चों, जल्दी आ जाओ. Did you manage to meet these people? You haven't met them. This is Renu. This is Shagufta. You've met. This is Lalima, and that is Ashutosh. One photo opportunity, everybody. Please clap. देखिए, ये बहुत ही लंबा सफ़र रहा है, लेकिन इस सफ़र में हमको बहुत खुशी मिली है, सशक्तिकरण मिला है लड़कियों को. बहुत खुशी की बात है. ऐसा लगता है बस कल ही हमने हाथ जोड़ा था मनीष मल्होत्रा के साथ और चुटकी में 9 साल निकल गए.
Ranveer, Deepika, what a beautiful show. It was an absolute pleasure watching both of you walk the ramp. Tell us the feeling that you guys experienced personally out there, walking for such a noble cause. Sir, साथ में रहेगा प्लीज.
आपने बोला कुछ सुनाई नहीं दिया.
Ranveer, Deepika, such a.
वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट सुनाई दिया, कुछ नहीं सुनाई दिया.
What is the feeling that you guys, both of you, experienced personally while walking the ramp for such a noble cause?
I think सबसे बड़ी बात है कि we've come together to walk from Mijwa Welfare Society, and I think that's the bigger picture here. So it's always wonderful, to walk for Manish, to walk with Deepika, for Shabana auntie, and everybody concerned with the Mijwa Welfare Society.
I think very, very exciting, to be honest. I think like he said, this is my first time. I know he's done it before, but this is my first time. And I started my career off as a model. I've walked the ramp many, many times, but this was special. It felt genuine, it felt real, and it felt connected. I felt like everyone behind the scenes has worked really, really hard in doing what they do, not just in putting the show together, but in the fact that you can see the work, the effort, the craftsmanship, and I think most importantly the fact that they've empowered so many women and children. It gives me so much joy, and it's so inspiring to see the work they do. Like I said, I think the fact that we've empowered women is one thing, but to see the quality of work that's coming out of Mijwa year on year, and to see that today they can compete or provide for top designers, not of the country but of the world. I think it really says a lot about the talent that we have in the country, and the fact that if we empower them, if we enable them, there's so much that we can do. I think we'd be so much, I think, richer as a nation. And this is just the beginning. We have a long way to go.
Ranveer, what is your idea of empowering women, and how far should we go about it as a country to make sure that women are getting equal rights?
Well, I think firstly we have to change the notion of masculinity. I think masculinity का जो एक idea है हमारे दिमाग में, I think we change the feelings of entitlement. I think that's a big thing. Once we do that, and the kind of platform that we can provide, and especially us who are entitled, that we can provide to the people of our country, especially to the girls, to the women. I think that's a great start, and I think Mijwa Welfare Society is about that.
Ranveer, at the same time, women and children, incidents of your
Yeah, he's doing that.
Hi guys, this is Rakul and you're watching Viral Bollywood. Please subscribe.